Teacher Cat Tina. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Cat Tina. Today we're going to draw and color one of the most famous and cutest characters ever, Hello Kitty. Let's draw and color together. Do you know Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty is friendly, kind, and always ready to smile. Drawing and coloring Hello Kitty is super fun. Ah, it's super cute, don't you think? The head is all done, now let's draw the body. Now it's time to draw her arms and her cute dress. Yay! We finished drawing Hello Kitty, now let's add some color. Pink! Come on, grab your pencils and start coloring. You can use pink, red, yellow, or any color you like. Did you know we'll be adding glitter at the end? It's going to look so sparkly and fun. Yellow. Now time to add some sparkle. Spread the glue, then sprinkle on the glitter. Did you enjoy drawing and coloring Hello Kitty with me? Want to see more fun videos like this? Check out my other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!